In this video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Messenger group link. The process is simple. So before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet. And once you're connected with the internet, open up your Chrome application. If you don't have Chrome, you can make use of any browser, but I recommend you to use Chrome. Once you've opened the browser, on the search bar of the browser, type in facebook.com. Once you type in facebook.com, search, and once you search on it, you will see Facebook website. Click on it, Facebook login or sign up. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to a page where you can log into your Facebook account using your browser. So once you've logged into your Facebook account, it will bring you here to your Facebook homepage. Once you are here, you will see this messenger option. Click on the messenger option. Now once you click on the messenger option, it will bring you to your conversation page on Messenger. So now select the group you want to copy link. Once you've opened the group you want to copy link, in order to copy your link, this is how to do it. On the search bar of your browser, click on the search bar. And once you click on the search bar now, you will see the copy link option. Click on the copy link option. Once you click on it now, you've copied the group link. So you can go to anywhere and paste the link, any social media of your choice. Let me paste the link here for example. I'll send the link. Right now if I open my Messenger app, I can see the link, my group link here. So you can paste this link anywhere on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. You can post it on any social media, TikTok. So this is how to copy Messenger group link. If this video helped you out, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.